Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a jaw dropping cabinet and bench. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle in from origin, okay, and then we can set the length about the work cabinet. Maybe you can set around 1200 millimeter. Then we can set the height of the cabinet around 600 millimeter, and after that we have to push it up. We have to push this plane up around 3000 millimeter. Then we can make it group. Just right click and make it group, and then we can set the guideline with the tape measure tool from this any edge. You can start from this edge or this edge anyway, and I wanna start from this edge for make a circle anyway. Then I would like to set this around 700 millimeter. Okay, and then I have to make this for just guideline for the bench. It's around 400 millimeter. Okay, and then I have to make the bench area. It's around one 1500 millimeter. And then you can press enter, and don't forget to make a line right here. Don't forget to make line right here with using line anyway. And then just okay, and after that we just make a line, and we can try to make a proportional line anyway. Don't forget to type 100s for the first to make it smooth. Okay, we can set the line as we want anyway, maybe with a radius 700. We can try it, and then just delete unnecessary line right here. Then we just move it to the upper position anyway. Okay. Okay, and this is just half line that we wanna make. Okay, and then we can just click this circle all, and then just select copy, and then just select this group, enter this group, and then we can edit and paste in place anyway. Okay, and then we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back anyway. I'm sorry, we can delete some unnecessary line. Okay, we can delete some unnecessary line with this, and then we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back around 500 millimeter, something like this, and you can see it. And after that we can also adjust this guiding line again for moving to the right, moving a little bit to the right side anyway. Then we can move around 40 millimeter. Then we can using this guiding line and just move it to the corner of this position, and then just move it to the upper position around 40 millimeter. Then we can make and then we can make a wardrobe right here. We can make wardrobe, and then we can just select this. We can just select this area with line. We can draw this with line anyway. And then we can offset it inside around. We can offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Then we can just push it to the back around, be the same with this backdrop anyway. So we will get this cabinet, and after that we can moving and duplicate this guiding line to the left side just a little bit, just for 20 millimeter, and then we can making more cabinet in the bottom position anyway. Okay, maybe we can using the guiding line. And using this guiding line anyway, and moving to the little bit right side, and then we can just using guiding line again, moving to the upper position more with the 40 millimeter for the width, and then we can make it. We can enter this group, and then we can just select a line, and then we can just throw the line right here, and then we can offset it. We can offset it around 20 millimeter. We can offset 20 millimeter. Then we can just connect to the another line right here. Okay, we have to connect this line, and then we can just erase some unnecessary line over there. Then we have to push it to the right, to the back, with the same position with the backspace of this circle cabinet. Okay, and then we just cut it for the left cabinet, and then we can develop to the another cabinet on the right side anyway. Then we can using a guideline also, and in the upper position here we can use a tape measure tool, and then we can just adjust the position, and then we can set the edge width around 20 millimeter also, and then we can drawing the another line to make cabinet again right here. Start from here, and then we can just follow this guiding line right over there. Then we can follow this guiding line again, and then we can push it to the back to be the same value for the another backspace, another back splash anyway. Okay, we have been in this progress, and then we can just erase some unnecessary guiding line anyway, and then we can make a horizontal cabinet to move vertically, which maybe it's around 6 partition over there anyway. We can use a rectangle. And we have to draw in the bottom position of the cabinet, and then we can just move it, push it up around 20 millimeter for the thickness, and then we can make group and make it component and just create it. And after that we have to move and select control and position on the corner and bring it to the upper position, and just click and just type on your keyboard by typing 6/ then select enter. Then we can erase it. Okay, we get it, and then we can make the another shelf with copy this shelf to the left side. Okay, we can just select it and just select move and press control, position on it, and then just right click and make unique, and then we can just push it to the left side anyway. Okay, and after that we can make door lift of the position by entering this group object and select this line, and just follow this part of the tutorial. Okay, just select this all of perimeter line that I show it to you right over there. Then we have to select edit, copy, and just exit from the group by clicking the another space over there, and then we can edit and paste in place, so it will be automatically paste in the same place as before. Then we can move it to the front just a little bit by a red axis anyway. Then we can just make a line to make sure that it will be a plane shape right over there. Then we can erase the unnecessary line, and by clicking this with a left click and just right click and select erase anyway. Okay, and after that we have to push select this plane, and then we have to push it to the front around maybe 20 millimeter, and then we can offset it inside to make ornament, simple ornament, just a simple ornament to make it more sense of design anyway. We can offset it around 30 millimeter, and then we can just offset it just a little bit to the front around 20 millimeter. Okay, so you will get the door leaf of the upper position of this cabinet, and then you can make it group, and then we can make it component, then just create it, and then we can move it to the back side. Okay, so you have been get this unique cabinet anyway, and then we can assign the material with another material over there. Maybe we can select all this for the first type, and then we can select the synthetic surface and select this Formica laminated light. I suggest you can use this material, but because it's look good in interior material anyway. And after that, you can just a little bit improvement about this another material from this circle area. Maybe you can make it different with this Formica blue, and then you can just assign it to Formica blue also anyway, so it will be more iconic than before anyway. And after that, we can make some cushion right here. And before we doing it, we have to make it group first, and then just move and select a copy and duplicate it by select a control, and then we can flip it along with the green axis, so it will be flipped automatically, and then we can just combine it. Okay, right here, so you can see by the shape of this beautiful cabinet. And then don't forget to make a cushion right here, maybe around a half of this circle for the dimension of the cushion. You can use a circle and position on the midpoint in group, and then you can drag the circle line in this area, and then we can offset it inside just a little bit, maybe around 70 millimeter of the width, the cushion width anyway. Then maybe you can move it to the front for the easy modify it. Okay, and then you can just select this line and just position on this center, and then you can set the how long the cushion you want anyway. Then you can erase some unnecessary object and line over there. Okay, like right here, and then you can just maybe you can make smooth or on the corner area, maybe to make it more realistic and representative enough for this cushion anyway. So you can make it with the 2-point arc, and then you can bring it back with the move, and just make sure that it will be a perfect movement with shift. And then we have to push it to the front. Okay, maybe something like this, or just a little bit more of the cabinet anyway. Then yeah, okay, it's enough. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, and then just make group, and then we can assign to the another material as you want. Maybe you can use this material, and you can edit the color with the RGB. Then you can move it all to the left side. Then you can adjust the brightness and the darkness of this cushion material itself anyway. Then you just copy it by select this all, and then we can move to the right side. You can open it with a rotate tool to make sure to show the condition when the wardrobe are open, the wardrobe or cabinet are open anyway, so it will be more representative. Or maybe just one door only that we can open. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you that which is watch this video and wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.